If your operating system fails to read the data on your hard drive because of an issue with this file, you may encounter a blue screen of death. If you also happen to have the same problem, here's how you can fix it. Now first up, check with the hardware problems. Therefore, we recommend you to restart your PC first, as there have been instances where the error occurred because this file was not launched correctly. Now if the file occurs after booting as well, proceed with the other steps. Now another thing you can try to do is check disk scan by opening command prompt with admin rights. Type in the following command, then press enter. Now the next thing you should check is the device drivers. Do it by opening Device Manager, then attempt to update all the critical drivers. Now the last thing we will do is check if any old or new third-party application are causing the problem. But first, launch the Windows into save mode by searching msconfig, navigate to Boot tab, choose Minimum the Safe Boot option, then click Apply and select OK to save the changes, and restart your computer. Now once you're in safe mode, check if the issue appears again. If not, then you can try uninstalling any recently installed apps, since there is a good chance of them being the culprit. Now that's how you can fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.